Guys, hello, let's go to my YouTube. Because my YouTube, this is my real voice. And this is my sibling's voice. Yeah, that's my sibling's voice. And I'm not 5 years old. Bro, it's bad. Now you like 5 years old. Okay. This is okay for me. This is not my real voice, so I'm going to stop just as mine. Stop hating up people. I'm going to delete your channel. But you have 1 subscribers. Nah. You're not my favorite. And you have a 3 likes. And you look like a big fat cow. So don't hate me because I'm going to delete our channel if you hate me, guys. Stop hating on people, guys, okay? So bye, guys.